Right, so I'm just going to show you here how to add copyright to every single image file. Now all of these here are completed raw files, so when your son's going to be opening the file from the camera for the first time, it looks slightly different, but the process is exactly the same. Right, so I'll just go into what would be coming up first. So son's going to be shooting photos in raw file format, so when he opens that file, this screen's going to come up on Photoshop. This is just where you'll be doing any editing which you might need to do. So what you'll do is edit, get the picture how you want it. Okay, it's going to bring up this page, and then what I'll do from here, I'll just go up to file info, and then fill out as much as possible on this here. Copyright status, make sure copyright is selected. There is public domain, which means people can download it without your permission, so keep it on copyrighted. That will protect anyone. Well, they can still take the file, but if you find out, then you can take action on that. Origin, fill out this, same here, IPTC, fill out this here, as much information as possible. I'll also add these copyright notices on, make sure the copyright sign is in there and from what date you want it to be. I also have like a statement here. Just pause the video so you can read it. I've got it also on the about section. Feel free to copy and paste that from my Facebook page. IPTC extensions, also fill out as much of that as you can. The rest, there's nothing really in the rest unless you do video, put some information in the video, and then okay. So when you save that now, file, save it as a Photoshop file, so we've got the raw copy. I'll then come straight back in, I'll save it as a JPEG file as well. So I've got both copies of them. So if you go in, so once that's happened, that all of that information that you've just inputted goes into the file information, which is here. You can see everything on that screen is all in here. Like all of the copyright you've just put in is in here. So that's how to protect the file. The next video I'll show you how to share files which won't be able to be printed.